Hello children, my name is Teacher Steve and today we're going to learn about place value. But what is place value? Place value is the magical place that numbers live. So here we can see that the ones live in the one place value. The tens live in the tens place value and the hundreds live in the hundreds place value. And this helps us to add the numbers together. When we add 100 plus 10 plus 1, we can look in the columns and we can see the number 111. Nice and easy. But why do we have place values? And why do we only have some numbers in each place value? Let's add together and see what happens to the ones in the ones place value. Can you add together with me? 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Great job. Plus 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 is... What happens when we add 1 to 9? Look at what happens. The magic of place values has now made a 10. We can't put 10 in the ones. It's too big. So we have to put it in its own place value called the tens. Now we can keep on adding. 10 plus 1 is 11. That's 1 10 and 1 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. Plus 1, 13. Plus 1 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. Plus 1 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Plus 1 is... Can you remember the magic? We got another 10. So now we have 2 tens, and 2 tens we call 20. 2 tens and 0 ones, 20. And I can keep adding one more all the way up to the next set of tens. So what is 20 plus 10? 30. Good job. Plus 10, 40. Plus 10 is 50. Plus 10 is 60. Plus 10 is 70. Plus 10 is 80. Plus 10 is 90. What happens when I add 10 more to 90? Are you ready for the magic? We get 100. All the way down here, 100. So I can't put 10 tens in here. I have to put 100. Now I can add more hundreds. 200 plus 100, 300, exactly. What if I add some tens to it? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. I now have 300s and 5 tens. I have 350. Well, let's add some ones as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number is now 356. And because every number lives in its own place value, its own magical place, it's easy for us to add the numbers together. And I've got some games to help you practice today. And tomorrow, you can practice every day. So here's the first game for you. We've got 3 games here. Read and make, listen and make, count and write. I'm going to choose read and make. And I want to work with the hundreds. And the hundreds. Yeah. A new snake style. Wow, I want to earn a new snake style. Let's see. What snake style do I have? I have these green snakes. Now it told me to look at the number at the top, this number, 370. 370. So I need to drag and drop the snakes from the notebook over here. So how many hundreds do I want? That's 100, 200, 300s. Do I want another one? No, that's 400s. I don't want that. I put that one back. 370. 10, 20, 30. Can you count with me? 40, 50, 60, 70. And 370. That's 300s and 7 tens. Do I need any ones? Oh, no, no, no. That's one too many. I'll put that back. Correct. We did it. We can do that again. If we do 5 like that, we will get a new snake style. Now, I've got another game for you to play. This one is called Base 10 Bingo. Now, Base 10 Bingo, I select a game. I want to play with the hundreds and the tens and the ones. Okay, I'm not going to do the thousands now, but I might come back and play that later. Just the ones, the tens and the hundreds to start. And I'm going to start with a grid 3 by 3. That's good. So I've got this 3 by 3 bingo grid, and I have to count my objects to find the number. So how many hundreds do I have? 1, 200, 300. How many tens do I have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 plus 80 plus 300. Oh, 300 plus 80 plus 8 is 300 plus 80 plus 8, 388. Yay! Okay, let's count some more objects. 100, 200. How many tens? 10, 20, 30, 40. And ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 200 plus 40 plus 8. 200 plus 40 plus 8. 200 plus 40 plus 8. 248. Yay! And that's what I want you to do, children. I want you to practice with this game, the bingo, this game, the snakes. But first of all, why don't you practice playing with the base 10 blocks? And when you've finished, you can come back and see me again next time. Bye-bye.